It's really amazing.
I promised you you're gonna get a nice ice cream, did I?
You're the best.
You're the best. Mwah.
And to end our day, I've got a recipe to pass down to my little chef Mia. Spaghetti Vongole.
Spaghetti, salatina, una tazzina di caffè. La gente guarda e ride, non è stata insieme a noi a Detroit.
Don't they smell like the sea? Right? You put them in a bowl. Okay. Now you're gonna cover this one with some water. Mix it up. See what I've done here? I got the chili, the garlic, the olive oil. Oh, beautiful. So now we pick them up, and these are gonna go straight in here. Go in, Bella. Give the pan a good shake for me. Then we're gonna add a little bit of white wine to give it the flavor. You can do that. That's it. Very good. Fantastic. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake. You see how easy it is to do it? Then you're gonna have to put a lid on because we need to make sure that the clams starts to open. So leave it like this. Now, Mia, I've got these beautiful cherry tomatoes. What I want you to do is to cut them into little pieces, okay? Like this. And that's it. Now we're gonna cook the pasta. Boiling water. In there, we're gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Which one is your favorite shape of pasta?
This one.
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of parsley here. Flat leaf parsley is the one you want. The steam opens the clams. Can you see? Look. Can you see they start to open? So what I want you to do now for me, pour the cherry tomato into the pan. Then parsley. In there. Very good. Fantastico. Look at the color. Red from the tomato, the white from the clams, the green from the parsley. Then we're gonna put a bit of botarga on top.
What's botarga?
You know the little eggs from the fish? What the Sardinian people do, they pick them up from the fish and then they smoke them or they sun-dry them. Just to finish off, very simple. The pasta goes straight into the sauce.
Can you do this dish with any different shapes of pasta?
Yes, but as long as that is a long shape of pasta. So you can do it with linguine or you can do with angel hair. Look at that, look at that. I'm gonna have the Sardinian caviar on top. And then just before we eat, what is that?
Extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil. Bravo, Papa. This is yours.
Che lo so già. E oggi quasi certamente sto sbagliando su di te.
It's delicious.
Ma una volta in più che cosa può cambiare nella vita mia?